What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're going to be making some chicken and broccoli soup, baby, in the crock pot because I got to tell you something, boy. It is cold outside. My butt is freezing. So, we're going to shift into soup mode like George Costanza, boy, and make us some crock pot soup. Now, thing about it is, we want to have some chicken soup. What you got to have, baby? That yard bird, that yard pimp. So, I went ahead and got some chicken thighs today because the price was right and the texture is going to be good. I like the texture on them thighs, if you know what I'm talking about, girl. So, go ahead and put your thighs in there. Next thing you're going to need, a little bit of that cream of chicken soup. Now, you could have got the Campbell's. I didn't. I got the old cheapo, but it's going to be good-o. So, put that good-o right in there. Then, we're going to add just a little bit of that chicken broth, if you know what I'm talking about. But so, put some of that down in there, let it have a drink with Archie Bunker. And then we're going to let that cook. Now you're saying stuff like, oh, what about the broccoli? Well, you gotta wait on the broccoli because you put the broccoli in there too soon, it's gonna shred it up. I want some nice, big looking broccoli. I almost want it to look like a cover of High Times in there, sir. So let that chicken go for about 2 hours in that little mixture that we got. And when you can put your tongs in there, Cisco's, and you can pull that chicken apart. Once that chicken comes apart and it's good, then you add the broccoli. Now, I got some frozen broccoli today. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, could you put some fresh broccoli in there perhaps, mister? Well, you could, but you know me, buddy. I can time that shit out. I got the frozen today. I let it thaw out just a bit. And then I dumped my broccoli in there. You know, I can be out there chopping broccoli with Dana Carvey. Now, so we're going to let that go for another hour or so. And sir, when it's done, we're going to warm our bones, sir. You know, this soup going to be on, like I say, you want the chicken to cook down, I would give it about 3 hours on high. And then you come back, you put the broccoli in there. Now, between the chicken going and the broccoli going in, we might go and sit down and watch a few episodes of Columbo, if you know what I'm talking about, sir. So, now, once you get that done, you're going to bring your buns back in here, and we're going to have a sight and a big old beautiful bite of this chicken broccoli soup tonight, Big Daddy. Whoa. Alright, baby, the time has come. The chicken broccoli soup is done. Boy, I'm having that first bite from me and that steam coming off this sucker. Saying yourself like, oh, why don't you go get a bowl? Well, when you're having the first bite and you made it, you can have it right out the pot, mister. So, I'm going to go ahead and do just that. Try not to burn my face because that's how I make my money. Oh, who cares? What? That's a hell of a combo. That chicken in there, creamy, a little salty. And that broccoli, fresh. Coming in powerful, man, with that flavor. That is good. Yeah, leave the lid off there a second. That is damn good. So, I want to thank you, damn good people, for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, give me a little more soup, boy. Is this good? Come here, bro. Gotcha.